Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Excel sheet into Word. First, open your Word document and navigate to the Insert tab. Look for the Object option in the text group. Clicking this will open a dialog box where you can choose to create a new Excel worksheet or insert an existing one. This is a straightforward way to integrate your data. When you link an Excel sheet, any changes made in the original Excel file will automatically reflect in your Word document. To do this, select Create from File in the Object dialog box, then browse for your Excel file. Crucially, check the link to File box. This creates a dynamic connection, perfect for reports that require frequent data updates from a single source. Embedding an Excel sheet means the data becomes a permanent part of your Word document, independent of the original Excel file. Follow the same steps as linking, but this time, ensure the link to File box is unchecked. This is ideal if you want to share the Word document without needing to also send the Excel source, as all the data is self-contained. For a quick solution, simply copy the desired cells from your Excel spreadsheet. Then, in Word, you have several paste options. You can paste as a table, keeping the formatting, or even as a picture for a static image. This is great for quick snapshots of data. Remember to check the description for links to other deals, including Little Tree's Black Ice Car air fresheners. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.